No time to call Jersey Central? Join the conversation online and be a part of WCTC's real-time talk. Like 1450 WCTC on Facebook and follow us on Twitter at 1450 WCTC. Jersey Central with Bert Barron on the new Talk Radio 1450 WCTC.
My next guests are two special people to me. You know, while I'm driving from client to client in New Jersey, I look up for the signs. Maybe that's why I get a lot of tickets, because I'm looking at signs rather than the red light or stop sign. And I see a lot of signs, and I say to myself, someone is behind doing these signs. McDonald's, Smash Burger, Veggie Burger. I don't know if there's one like that. So I called the gentleman up, and the young lady answers, and her name is Chris. I said, I'd like you to come on my radio program because you look like you're very successful. You're probably the largest, the biggest, and you do the best work in New Jersey. So today I have them here sitting beside me. And again, they've been in business over 30 years. She looks like 16. He looks like the father. But I'd like to introduce you to Danielle and Chris, and welcome to my program, Getting Ahead in Business on WCTC.
Thank you so much, Milton, for having us here. Good morning, Alan. You see how important signs are? You just said you drove around and you look at signs all the time.
But I have these tickets. You want to take care of them?
I'm sorry. Send them to my address.
Tell us a little about the sign business. You talk about signage as the best advertising for your business. Please explain.
It absolutely is the best advertisement for your business. Like you just mentioned, while you're driving around, you're looking at signs. That's the thing that catches your attention. So this is your advertising. As a business owner, those signs are out in front of the public 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, on holidays, on weekends. So that's giving you your best advertisement. And honestly, it's better than your best employee. It's better than how you could even advertise your business. You have to have a sign that's conspicuous and well lit, and something that's going to draw customers or potential customers into your business. And you know, obviously, it is an investment. So what you put into it is what you get out of it. The more you invest in that signage, hopefully, the better your return will be. I like to equate it to maybe investing in a car that, you know, a better car as opposed to having an older car that maybe is not as reliable, or even when people invest in a particular college, you're putting your investment into that, hoping that you get a better return out of it. So I think signage is the same thing, and it's a way also of showing your creativity and reaching out to other people around you.
Let me ask you, Chris, how do you incorporate convenience into serving your customers?
That's one of our, I think, biggest draws. We like making things as convenient as possible for our customers. And by convenience, we mean we come right to your door. So at no time is our customer having to leave their establishment, leave their business, and come to seek us out. So you're not stopping what you're doing in the middle of the day or trying to rush to our store, you know, early in the morning or late at night when you're exhausted. We come right to you. We come to you, we kind of get a feel of what you're looking for, what your business would need, what's the most suitable signage for your business, and then we sit down and work out all the kinks, go through the artwork. You know, some people need more help than others. We work with corporate institutions, so those type of businesses like Subways and Popeyes or Smash Burger, they pretty much know what they want. So they tell us what they want, and we produce it for them and install it for them. But different businesses, little, you know, mom and pop shops, they may not necessarily know what they need or kind of have a few different ideas. So we try and get in there and you know, really show them what sign is best suited for them.
Okay, Chris, we got a break.
Okay, great.
We got to break something. So, so Dan and you sit here, and we're going to come back to both of you.
Excellent. Thank you, Milton.
Sitting in for Bert, I'm Alan David Stein, as we continue with our good friend Milton Paris, getting ahead in business. Milt.
I'm sitting here with Signs and Awnings, the lovely Chris, president, PR person, vice president, and her lovely husband, Daniel. Signs and Awnings, go to their website, www.signsawnings.com. Signs and Awnings. I got left back in kindergarten. Signsandawnings.com, or they can be reached at 732-558-9255. Chris, tell us, what do you mean when you say you love to give facelift, which you don't need any facelifts.
Thank you, Milton. But sometimes signs might need a facelift. So we don't just specialize in fabricating new signs and installing them. We also help customers with signs that are already existing. So when I say we offer a facelift to their sign, a lot of times customers want to convert over to LEDs, which is actually a very smart thing to do, considering that LEDs use about a third of the electrical usage of traditional bulbs. So you're actually conserving energy. You'll see it in your electric bills, and it's definitely the way to go. And also it gives you a nice, crisp, bright color to your lights as well. So it's definitely a win-win situation. And another way that we just recently started giving facelifts to signs is that we go and change the color of faces of existing channel letters. So if someone has, let's say, a light blue and they want to go to a magenta, no problem. You don't have to take the whole, change the whole sign. All you need to do is put a different color vinyl on the front of it, and it looks like you have a brand new sign there in front of your establishment. So those are just a couple of little things that we could do to help give your sign a facelift.
Signs and Awnings, 732-558-9255. That's Signs and Awnings, 732-558-9255. I know you have emergency service, so I see that Dan's sitting here and a light's going on, and he's leaving with the emergency service. So.
Yeah, absolutely, 24/7. So if someone contacts us, we could dispatch our trucks to come to your establishment and fix your lighting and your signage. A lot of times, especially now with the busy holiday shopping season, you can't afford to have your signage not working. So if you need us to come out any time of the day, any day of the week, we'll be there.
Mention a half a dozen people that you've worked with outside of Smash Burgers, Popeye.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I mean, those are obviously the larger ones, and we've done work for Dunkin' Donuts as well. We did, one example, I'd like to bring this story up when I talk about convenience and going to your establishment. We did some place called The Spa in Little Falls, New Jersey. And when we went there, we really got to be creative with their sign. After looking at their establishment and seeing the decor, we actually took something from inside of their business and brought it to outside, and we were able to be very creative. And the owner of the spa was so happy with it. In fact, she loved it so much that she wound up using that then for all of her stationery and gift cards and so forth. So we really take pride in being able to cater to our customers very specifically.
Chris, one more time, the name of the company, Signs and Awnings.
Yes, it's Signs and Awnings. You could visit our website, www.signs, that's SIGNS, the letter N, Awnings, AWNINGS.com. And we could be reached at 732-558-9255.
Thank you very much. Dan, thank you very much. You talk too much.
It's my silent partner.
Your silent partner. Thank you. They're a great couple. Call them at 732-558-9255 and become what they do is wow. They'll get people coming into your business.
All right. Thank you, guys. 1450 WCTC, time 8:55. Central Jersey traffic and weather on the primes. Here's Susie.
Hey there, guys. Good morning. Well, it's actually not too bad out there. It's been really pretty quiet on the Turnpike north and south, and this morning nothing going on from 9 to 14. There's not even any road work to hold you up, but road work is holding you up in East Brunswick. Route 18 northbound by the Turnpike. Only 2 lanes are open for that long-term road work. We've got it about 1 more month, so it's really pretty slow through the area. Stop and go Cranberry Road through the Turnpike itself. That's at least a 10-minute delay. Parkway northbound a little better. It's slow now, 148 to 153. Parkway southbound looks good again in local lanes by Cheesequake with that earlier accident gone. It's really been pretty good this morning, too, on 287 north and southbound from the Turnpike to Interchange 14. Route 1 southbound is still pretty slow in towards Ridge Road. And just a reminder that with this weather we've got headed our way, New Jersey Transit is cross-honoring system-wide all day long. I'm Susie Cerrone with your 1450 WCTC traffic update.
1450 WCTC winter weather alert, advisory till 10 p.m. Tonight. Early rain mixing with and transitioning to snow today. Sleet at times, breezy. Temps falling to 32 to 35. Look for 1 to 2 inches today. Tonight, the snow will end this evening, then mostly cloudy and breezy with a lingering flurry. Low near 30. Total accumulation 1 to 3 inches. Higher amounts north and west. Thanksgiving Day, mostly cloudy with a passing flurry. High upper 30s to 40. Thursday night, mostly cloudy and cold. Low 20 to 25, and Black Friday, more sun than clouds, high again near 40. Right now at 8:57, light rain, 39 WCTC degrees.
The Skylark Diner in Edison redefines the diner experience with a world bistro menu in a unique decor. The Star Ledger rates it 4 stars. The New York Times says don't miss it, serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner to thousands each week with warm, knowledgeable, and attentive service. The Skylark Diner continually strives to exceed expectations. Skylark Diner prides itself on using only the finest ingredients as each entree is freshly prepared. It's bistro casual dining at its best. Skylark Diner, proud supporter of Rutgers football, is now the go-to place before, during, and after every game. Wear your Rutgers fan gear and get 10% off your entire bill on game day. Come to Skylark Diner and Lounge on game day and catch the game on one of their 6 large-screen TVs. Remember, wear your Rutgers gear on game day and get 10% off your entire bill. Score a great deal and a great meal at Skylark Diner, 17 Wooding Avenue and Route 1 in Edison. SkylarkDiner.com.
The Mercedes-Benz Winter Event is back, giving you the best of both worlds. A Mercedes-Benz you've always dreamed of for a price you never dreamed possible. And you'll find it all at Ray Catena Motor Car in Edison and Ray Catena of Union. It's a great time to be driving the all-new C300 4MATIC Sports Sedan, redesigned for 2015 with more power and luxury than ever before. And at an incredible lease offer of only $379 a month. Or check out Ray Catena's huge inventory of SUVs, including the newest Mercedes-Benz SUV, the all-new 2015 GLA 250 4MATIC. Now available just in time for winter. It's everything you'd expect from a Mercedes-Benz, and with an attractive lease offer of just $369 a month. So hurry to Ray Catena Motor Car on Route 1 in Edison and Ray Catena of Union on Route 22 West in Union, both winners of the 2013 Mercedes-Benz Best of the Best Award. Or go to raycatena.com for the Mercedes-Benz Winter Event. 36-month leases to assigning $4673 on the C300, $3889 on the GLA 250. No security deposit, taxes, titling, and fees extra. To qualified buyers through MBFS, details at 1-800-FOR-Mercedes.
Jersey Central with Bert Barron.
Here we go.
On the new Talk Radio 1450 WCTC.
And here we are. Alan David Stein for Bert. We're wrapping it up on getting ahead with business. Milk Paris.
I want to thank my sponsors. Chris, you can help me on this one.
Sure, absolutely. One of our sponsors is Plum Right. Heat right and cool right with Plum Right. Plum Right Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. Plum Right specializes in residential and commercial heating, plumbing, and cooling, and they're the pros you can trust. Since 1983, family-owned Plum Right has been keeping Central Jersey homes and businesses comfortable. When you need plumbing services of any kind, Plum Right can help. Plum Right offers free water heating inspections as well as sewer cleaning with camera technology to clear those hard-to-find clogs. Count on Plum Right for water heater sales, maintenance plans, all of your air conditioning and plumbing repair needs, even for new additions and construction. Call Plum Right for your free estimate at 732-417-4444. Again, that's 732-417-4444. Heat right and cool right with Plum Right.
I think Plum Right's going to call you they're going to hire you. But I want to thank also Safarion for staffing and hiring if you need a job. Walter Toto, Esquire, lawyer, famous. Thomas Polanska at terrific CPA. Omega Diner and Cafe, Sunny Palace, the best Chinese food in New Jersey. Banks say no, ALCS says yes. Of course, Funny Mix, Rita Ventures. Everybody needs a plumber, Plum Right. And let's now go to Master Pizza and Italian Kitchen, New Jersey's Tops Pizzeria in Livingston, Union, Rockaway, and West Orange. And, of course, Signs and Awning, my guest today. Of course. And let's go to Master Pizza. Are we ready? You're going to join us?
Do I look like I turned down pizza?
Okay. And God bless America, and God bless everybody. And I want to thank everybody for listening, and also have a happy holiday.